Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to collect payments or donations directly through your WordPress website without any coding or complex plugins, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a PayPal payment form in WordPress step by step using the built-in site editor. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional PayPal button that lets users pay you instantly, right on your website. So let's jump straight in. First, let's log into your WordPress dashboard. Open your browser and go to your WordPress website. In the top right corner, click Login. Now, to make things quick and secure, choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account that's connected to your website, and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Quick Links section. It's right on your main dashboard screen. Here, click Edit Site. This will take you into WordPress's visual site editor, where you can easily customize your pages just by dragging and dropping elements. Next, choose the page where you want to add your PayPal payment form. It could be a shop page, a donate page, or even your home page. Totally up to you. Now comes the fun part, inserting the PayPal payment block. In the top left corner, click the plus icon to open your block library. In the search bar, type PayPal. You'll see a block labeled Pay with PayPal. Click on that, and it'll instantly add a PayPal payment form to your page. Once it's inserted, you can customize it. You can change the button text, choose the currency, and set the amount, or let users enter their own. This flexibility makes it great for anything, whether you're selling a product, taking bookings, or accepting donations. After customizing your form, preview your page to make sure everything looks clean and professional. Then, hit publish or update to save your changes. And that's it. Your WordPress site now accepts PayPal payments directly. Visitors can click the PayPal button, log into their PayPal account, and send money safely and instantly. And there you have it. A simple, no plugin way to add a PayPal payment form to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel for more quick WordPress tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover Stripe or other payment options next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy building!